Hello, one and all. Riker Eve here. I have two locks for you. Both of them are logout tagout locks, and they're both from Master lock. So we're going to be doing the easy one first. 40,000 tension range with the Meticular. So, slot. This is the key, and let's get into this. All right. It's always this last pin that always gives me trouble. Sorry, my hands are tired. I've been working extra days at my job, and so everything hurts. There we go. Usually doesn't take me that long to get this one open, but as I said, my hand hurts. All right, let's get into the more difficult one. This one has a high point. I'm giving you guys a double video since I haven't been really active. Was this one top of the keyway? I forget. I know I'm close. Got it. Yep, overturned it. There you go. All right, that took me a bit. Usually it doesn't take me that long to get into this, but I am tired. My wrist hurts. And everything just tenses up way faster. But yeah, those were Master Lock 410s. And I already reset that one. All right. Anyway, as always, thank you guys for watching. This is Riker Eve, telling you to have a good day and a good night.